The Tecno Spark series has always been very attractive in my mind. The design is largely in line with any other phone on this market, and some even have unique colors and skins at the back. You can always pick one to express yourself the best. Today we have the Spark 20 Pro and Pro Plus, the newest and the greatest in this lineup so far. And of course, the Pro Plus did not exist last time. When I first saw them, I'm immediately attracted by the sunset blush skin and bright green vegan leather at the back, and there are a lot more they can offer, so let's check them out. Since these are the successor of the Spark 10 Pro series, the overall shape and size of 20 Pro are not that different, but the Pro Plus has a whole new design as you can see. The Pro Plus has a nice and premium vegan leather bag. It feels smooth to the touch, with only a simple pattern across the circular camera module. The camera module in particular looks very good, and the rounded island ring lifts the camera up, and a metallic and brushed craft makes the starry-like camera cover very elegant. Moreover, there's a slight protective ring around it, so the cameras will be protected well. The first impression 20 Pro gives is very true to its name, which is just like what you see when the sun goes down. The color is not that harsh, rather a light orange, but it also reflects some blue from the sides, and the texture is like a fine kneaded cloth. This tones down the reflection a little bit, so it's less intrusive when you look at it from the direct angle. The camera module, however, is a shiny sunset color piece. Coupled with the cameras, it still looks good. There are also some other colors to choose from for these two models. They are also very good looking. You can head to the link down below to see more. The framing of these two are also very nice. They are all shiny and frosted. All the buttons are lined up neatly at the side. Only the fingerprint reader on the Pro Plus is under the screen, and it does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Surprisingly, these two phones have dual speakers designed at the top and bottom. They support 400% big volume, a mini party speaker right here. You will hear the actual result at the end of this review. So overall, I'm happy to see such an upgrade in appearance, which is one of the main reasons you will love this phone for. On the 20 Pro Plus, it's a 6.78 inches AMOLED hole punch screen with 120Hz high refresh rate. Visually, it's a really good screen. Colors are very vivid and it's also very bright. Viewing angle is also very good. You can comfortably browsing through all kinds of content, and since it has adaptive refresh rate strategy, so when displaying different content, it will naturally tweak the settings to create a silky smooth experience while saving some energy. It claims a 3 to 5% higher efficiency. Well, I don't think it will make a dramatic difference, so let's just take their word for it. This is a curved screen. The feel of holding this phone in the hand is very good, so if you have higher requirements for the screen, this is your choice. On the 20 Pro, it has all the features that the Pro Plus has, and the straight screen is more daily use friendly. But since it is an LCD screen, the viewing angle and the color richness will not be that good compared to AMOLED, but it can still manage to fulfill daily needs. So the cameras, they both have the same configuration here, a whopping 108 megapixel main camera and two other auxiliary cameras. The experience of taking photos with these two phones are good. In the daytime, they can take fine pictures, sharpness is good, colors are accurate, pictures of the scenery and live subjects are well presented. One situation I see the way it works is that it tends to brighten things up a bit in the low light conditions, because in this scene, areas other than the lights are actually darker than it shows. When the night comes, the super night mode will kick in. It will capture all the subject in the scene and have a good control of the highlight areas. And when the front light is turned on, it naturally enhances the selfie performance. It lights up the face and the background, so the picture taken is very good. This is the unique feature that many phones don't have. These phones also support 2K video recording, with only the Pro Plus has an ultra steady mode, but it will be limited at 1080p 30fps. The fun feature of the cameras is the dual video capability. You can record with both the rear cameras and the front-facing camera to create a live view experience for people who are going to watch the video. There's also a macro camera that can help you explore a bit more fun in your life, and you can try to take some photos with it. When I tried to know more about these phones, I got some info about Tecno supporting some sort of events around the world, including some football and esport, like some Call of Duty tournaments, so they must be confident about the performance, which also translates as the chip is good. These two both come with MTK G99 Ultra, 16GB RAM, 8GB physical, and 8GB virtual. In Geekbench 5, it got 727-point single core, 2014-point multi-core, decent scores for this chip. In daily use, we haven't encountered any lag. All the gameplay is very smooth also. In Call of Duty, the game can smoothly run at 60fps without any distortion, and it can switch between apps without any lag. About the operating systems, it is Android 14 on the Pro Plus and Android 13 on the Pro. In daily use, there isn't any difference actually. Still, there are a lot of highlights in iOS, such as the dynamic port, I wouldn't say it provides a whole new experience in the UX, but at least it shows some useful info when some apps are running. Another one is the AI feature built in. You can input some keywords, then have an AI wallpaper made just for yourself. Also, the AI will learn your habits, then give some suggestions for things you want to do. Lastly, the docking portal at the side is some light load mission that implemented in the system, so you have quicker access to things. It is a very convenient feature. I would say these two phones have a lot of value to offer. There are some important features you will appreciate, such as the magic skins and the versatile cameras, the flashlight, and above average performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone that's packed with a good enough performance, these two can be your choices. So this is a review of Tecno Spark 20 Pro and Pro Plus, and I will see you next time.